What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about makeup and skincare, sometimes nail polish. We do have the occasional unboxing, but I almost always drop something, so if you're interested in that, make sure you stick around. Today we are doing an eyeshadow palette tutorial and a St. Patrick's Day inspired look. So this is the Just My Luck palette from Colourpop. I've had this in my collection for a very long time and I have absolutely no recollection of filming with it. So it's a 9-pan palette. This does retail for whatever price I'm going to put here because I don't remember. What I'm going to do first is I am going to swatch all of these shadows on my arm and then we are going to create a look. These are the shadows swatched. I do like this palette. It's not a new palette. What I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyes using my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer, and then I'm going to get into the look. Alright, and this is the final look. Overall, I am very happy with how it turned out. I will say that this palette is a little tricky to work with. I found that I was blending for a very long time. Be careful when you're using greens. Go in with a light hand. I did that so it was a lot easier to work with. I have to say I am really feeling the inspiration for St. Patrick's Day today. I'm actually filming this on the 16th, so it will be uploaded by the 17th. I'm glad that I pulled this out of my collection and that we filmed this video because, like I said, I have never done a dedicated video with this palette before. The one thing I did use on my eyes that was not from was the Ace Beauty shimmer glimmer shadow in shade French Vanilla because I really wanted a silver to put on and mix in with that shade Mary Jane from this palette. I'm very happy with how this look turned out. Please let me know in the comments below what you thought of today's look and how you are doing. Thank you all so much for all of your continued support. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.